Okay, the first step to making a pizza is you're gonna want to bloom your yeast. So first you're gonna need 2.5 cups of warm water, like this, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 packet of yeast here. And so we'll do it. So is that pretty good? That's good. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there you go. And this is the yeast. I'm gonna dump all this yeast in here. There you go. There it is. There's still some in here. Alright, there you go. That is the first step of making it. Now we're gonna have to stir it. Stir all this so you can bloom it. Yeah, there you go. It kind of smells like, if you make pancakes, it kind of smells like the dough of the pancakes. Alright, so after blooming the yeast, you're going to want to put 7 cups of flour. I already have 6 here. I'm going to put my last one. So, alright, now you're going to put one and a half teaspoons of salt. Put that in there. Now you got 1 tablespoon, 5 tablespoons of olive oil. This is my first one. There you go. So this is maybe our 4th one. Here's the last one. There you go. Now you can see that it's all in there. So what we're gonna do for our 3rd step is we're gonna get our bloomed yeast and we're gonna put it into the items that we use for our 2nd step. So we're gonna dump it in here. This is so satisfying. Nice. Okay. Stir all this. Oh, this is so satisfying. It's so chunky. Okay, so I finished stirring it. Yeah, it's not really that much water now. So I'm gonna put some of this flour on the countertop so that it's not sticky when I move it around. So I'm gonna put that all in that area real quick. And just get this. I'm gonna get this puppy right here. I'm gonna yeet. Alright, I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna grab this. Yeet. So now that I've finished making my dough really nice right here, I'm gonna get some of this olive oil. I'm gonna put it right here, all over here, so that when I put this dough inside, it doesn't just get, it's not sticky. It's like it doesn't get stuck to it. Alright, so okay, move it around. Alright, now grab this right here. Okay, nice and yeet. So if you don't have a lot of time, you can just leave it in here for an hour. But if you have unlimited time, you can just leave it in here for an hour. Overnight, sorry. So yeah, once you have it all in here, you're set to leave it in your refrigerator. And yeah, now we're gonna shape our dough. So I need to spread this out. Spread this out. Yeah, you already know. Spread this out. Easy. Put on the motor. After you shape your dough, you're gonna put it on the cooking sheet right here. And as you see, I have all my ingredients right here. The last step is you're putting it in this baby. It is the oven. It's set at 525 degrees. Alright. There we go. Oh. I forgot to put this in there. And you let it cook, boys.